Here's I will show you how to use a camera as a webcam in OBS. So go to your OBS and add a scene, and under scene we have to add our sources. So here I have my gameplay video source. Now to add my camera as webcam, I'm clicking on this plus icon to create a new source, and here we have to select video capture device, and here you can rename the source. I'm typing here webcam, and now click on this device drop down, and from this list you have to select your camera, which camera currently you are using. So select your camera and then click on OK. And here we can see my camera successfully added. Now click on the camera source and you can go ahead and resize your webcam or camera. If you want to crop, you can just hold down the Alt key or Option key, and then you'll be able to crop your webcam just like this. And that's how you can actually add our camera as a webcam in OBS. Thanks for watching.